Hello from Dreamforce 2024. We are in San Francisco, right in front of the iconic Dreamforce waterfall, representing Royal Cyber. At Dreamforce 2024, Salesforce made some major announcements on AI, specifically on Agent Force. Agent Force is a series of autonomous AI agents which can analyze data, make decisions, and also perform tasks. So it can do things like qualify a lead, make your marketing campaigns optimized, or even, do a service, complete a service request. So Asif, thank you for joining. Asif, can you tell a little bit more about this Agent Force and how Royal Cyber, what services Royal Cyber can provide as part of implementing Agent Force with our customers?
Sure. So basically, the objective or the motto which we are hearing, since yesterday in Dreamforce is that the humans and the agents work together to deliver the best possible customer experience, right? Now, this agent force or the AI agent is a layer which Salesforce has given on top of the existing platform, but it is still the part of the platform. Now, it makes lot of or it offloads a lot of work of the human agents by intercepting a lot of work or a lot of queries which comes towards or resolved by the human agents, right? So I was reading one article yesterday which says that almost 81% of the people who connects with the chatbot, they end up waiting for the live agents to come in and speak with them, right? So now this 81% would, using this AI agents, the workload would be less than half of what the human agents are handling right now. This is the power of the AI agents.
Correct.
And the best thing is that it utilizes the data which exists within the platform. So you don't have to go to any third-party AI model or LLM models to be implemented with, which are cost heavy. So all the data which resides in the platform, which is part of the customer 360 apps, your sales cloud, service cloud, data cloud, marketing cloud, and it's a real-time data. So the power is that those AI agents, they would be able to make use of that real-time data, which may change at the end moment, but still they would be able to make use of that data and make relevant, informed, and maybe valuable decisions, or help customers with the relevant queries which comes, right? So this is the power of what AI agents.
Royal Cyber can help customers implement this.
Yeah, so that's a great question. So Royal Cyber is already into this space for past almost a year or more, since the beginning of this sales GPT or the marketing GPT or the Einstein GPT in overall, right? We have developed solutions which helps customer from let's say auto response of the customer queries or the emails from the sales perspective. We do have features like sentimental analysis, which we have developed as part of the service org, using the Einstein GPT or the service GPT model, or even if you want to use the external open source model as well. So that is also something which Royal Cyber has developed. We have also developed a solution where a CSR who receives those cases, web to case or email to case, the classification of those cases using the automation of the AI bot or the AI, I would say, Gen AI features. So that is also something which Royal Cyber has developed, right? So yeah.
So I think Abhijit, any thoughts on this?
So yeah, I've been in sales all my life, right? I've been working in sales, and if I had an agent bot helping me out every time I do sales, every time I make a cold call, I'm gonna be very happy. I will know what exactly to say to him, how to say to him, what sort of information that company is looking for. All this is just in my hands, and I don't have to go searching for it. And all of that is available in one place in the Salesforce CRM, and my agent bot is just helping me get it better. The other thing I wanted to talk about is, obviously they are using the GPT or the Copilot function, but the uniqueness of Royal Cyber is, think of it, you can have Llama behind it, Llama 3 behind it, Fire 3 behind it. You're not stuck to the Einstein GPT or the Copilot that they are using. you can use other third-party AI, Gen AI LLMs that are out there. And what are the benefits? You get security, you get cheaper LLMs, and it's in your environment. You can manage the LLMs within your environment. So this is something unique from Royal Cyber. You won't get that with any other SI.
And I think one thing we learned is that if you have to use Agentforce, Data Cloud is a required thing.
Right. I think, I was discussing one of the cases yesterday. I think we heard it in the keynote where Mark, he called out one of the cases where a customer calls the CSR and they want to change change the order which they already have received. Right. They want to change the size of the clothings which they've received. Now, in today's time, without AI agent, this kind of query is being managed or handled by a live human agent, right? But with the power of this AI agent, now I was discussing yesterday with one of the customers who's from the health side. So he said, if for example, if a customer calls, if customer has gone through some tests, MRI tests or any such kind of tests, and their reports are ready, the notes are ready from the doctors, right? And now they want to book a specialist appointment based on those notes. So basically, you don't need a human AI agent. It's a health agent, health AI agent, health cloud AI agent, which can help customer to actually book a specialist appointment based on the notes or the test reports results. So this is an excellent use case, right? So yeah, I mean that's where this power of AI agent would come. And yes, I mean Data Cloud, Salesforce has been very extensively working on the Data Cloud. They are keeping Data Cloud as a source of truth. It's a CDP. All the data comes or moves from any of the rest of the clouds which are part of Salesforce ecosystem. The source of truth for them is the Data Cloud.
Okay, great. And coming to commerce, so there are a lot of sessions we attended on the B2B, B2C, D2C, and even in Forrester we can see this year B2B is the leader in the Forrester Gartner reports. So what are some of the new things which are coming in the commerce case which you would like to share with the audience?
See, I think the best thing which Salesforce has done when it comes to the B2B space is, and this conference right now is focused on two things. I mean, one is this Agentforce and the other one is the Commerce on Core. So when we say Commerce on Core, it includes the B2B as well as D2C model of Salesforce, right? It is very seamlessly integrated with all the rest of the clouds which you have. So for example, if customer is using B2B commerce, they can spin up the storefront within few minutes by just clicking on and following a wizard, and they have the storefront ready using all the out-of-the-box templates which Salesforce provides, right? Without writing a single line of code, you have your storefront up and running and live for your customers. I mean, this is the power of Commerce on Core. I mean, moving forward, let's say you are serving your B2B customers and you plan to decide to go towards or directly sell to your consumers, you just spin up your D2C storefront within just few minutes using the same catalog, same objects, same pricing, same price books which are at the back end. You can make use of exactly same objects and have your D2C storefront ready, right? With respect to the new features, Salesforce is coming up with kind of web designer which using that you can actually create pages within Salesforce B2B commerce, like you have page designer in Salesforce B2C. Then you have the mini basket which is coming as part of the storefront. Then you have this multi-locale pricing, multilingual. Is multilingual is anyway there, but multi-locale kind of pricing feature is coming, within next few releases of Salesforce.
Those are very good features which are coming.
Currency as well.
Now, from a Royal Cyber perspective, would you guys like to share something? Like, do we have any accelerators, solutions we have built, and how it can help customers?
Sure. So one of the great accelerators that we just came up with is cross-sell and upsell, right? So you're in the B2B sector. You want to make sure that you are selling towards you're not just selling one product to your customer, but you're actually cross-selling them, selling them multiple items, so that you're increasing your revenue by selling multiple items, and also upselling them, right? So if there's an upgrade on a particular item that you're trying to sell, our customer Whitecap Holdings have actually implemented it, where they are able to sell different types of drills to different customers, and these drills are like going upwards, like in terms of drill quality, in terms of they could have strength of the drill. So as and when the product gets better, the upselling of the product also happens, because we know what the customers already bought from the customer from us, and hence we can upsell them, and then obviously cross sell them with the drill. We have something like product recommendation, where it tells you, a drill goes well with these nails, or with the hammer, or with the screw. So it's like a cross sell that you're doing over here in the B2B sector.
Great. So at Royal Cyber, we have done a very big investment on data science, and we have created a lot of solutions which can help Salesforce customers to solve their business problems. So one other example I would like to share is abandonment cart. So previously, I think there are when you have abandoned carts, the customers used to send only same emails to all the customers. So now with our data science model, we can identify the reasons of those abandoned carts and send personalized messages. So like that, we have a lot of these different solutions we have created in data science for Salesforce products. This has been an exciting event, and thank you for listening. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.